Hello, my name is Indraji, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the new profiling functionality at Sentry to find and fix a real performance issue in a mobile app. So here to the right, I have the mirrored screen from my iPhone, which is running our Movies dog fooding app, and to the left I have Xcode open with the code for that app. So here you can see that I've enabled profiling by flipping this flag to true in the SDK config. Now, if I just scroll through the app and play around with it a bit, I can see that the performance of the app is quite poor. The scrolling drops frames, there's a little bit of jank, so obviously this could be a much better user experience. Now, while I've been doing this in the app, we've been collecting transactions and profiles along with those transactions that are sent to the Sentry backend, and you can visualize them on the dashboard. So let's switch over to the dashboard and see what we have. So here we can see that the profiles that we just collected have come through. I'm just going to open one, and I can see that the most expensive functions are listed here. These are the slowest functions to execute. And if I switch over to the flame graph, I can get a nice amount of detail here, which shows me that on the main thread, we're calling this function called create blurred backdrop, which is taking something like 200, 300 milliseconds on the main thread, which might be the cause of our performance issues. So going back to the code, I'm going to search for that function. And I can see here that one way that we might improve it is by not calling create blurred backdrop directly, but by moving that computation over to a background thread. So I'm going to make that change right here. And I'm going to rerun our app. And now I'm going to go through the app again, see how it behaves. So now you can see that the scrolling is actually really smooth. And I can tap into these. Everything looks like it's performing better than before. So I can validate that my change worked by checking the profiles again and see if we're still executing that expensive code on the main thread. So let's go back to the dashboard and see what's happening. So here I have some new profiles. So let me click into one of these and let's check out the flame graph again. So now we can see that the create blurred backdrop function is not called on the main thread anymore. You can see that because I tried to filter down here and it's not finding the frame. So it looks like we were successful in eliminating that expensive main thread call, and there might be more here to optimize later, but that's all I can show you in the scope of the show and tell. Thank you for watching.